Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to find clearance on Walmart's website to buy and then resell on Amazon using FBA. When I start sourcing for products on Walmart's website, I like to have three tabs open: Walmart.com, Fulfillment by Amazon Revenue Calculator, and Amazon.com. The reason why I like to have these three tabs open is as soon as I found a product, I can quickly check if I can make money off of it and move on to the next one if it's unprofitable. Now, in Walmart's search bar, I'll type in video game clearance to begin my search. As you can see, it's not all video games, but that doesn't really bother us. In the video games that did pop up, it's now our job to check if they are profitable. What I like to use is I like to look for best sellers. Best sellers in the clearance section. Such as this one. It's a video game, it's a bestseller, and it's marked down quite a bit. Now that we have found a product that we are intrigued by, we'll check to see how much it will sell for on Amazon. So we'll head over, type in the same exact product we have found, and we'll make sure it's the same one. And we'll go to right here, other sellers on Amazon, and we'll check Prime shipping and new. As we see here, $26.97 is the lowest Prime offer, which is back ordered. So we'll go on to the next listing. This one is not back ordered. We can buy this right now for $26.99, and Walmart is selling it for $9.93. The next step is to check what the sales rank is. The sales rank is 3,500. That means as soon as we ship it to Amazon and they check it in, it will sell within a day, and we will make our money back the day Amazon checks it in, and we will sell it. Now that we have established that it sells good and it's cheaper on Walmart's website than Amazon, we'll see how much the exact profit will be on this item. So we'll head over to the Fulfillment by Amazon Revenue Calculator, and we'll head over to our Amazon listing and grab the ASIN from the product information. Now, we'll just type in the details that we have given us. $26.99 is the lowest price. Shipped to Amazon, I pay 50 cents a pound to ship, and the video game weighs 4 ounces, so we'll just say 10 cents. And the cost of product is $9.93. So we'll go to a calculator and calculate sales tax. $10.52 is the exact price we pay for it. Calculate. So we'll make $8.10 per video game we buy, and the net margin is 30%. The leading industry for online arbitrage is 20%. So it's a no-brainer, we'll buy this product. Now, the next part of the process is to check if your local stores have these in stock. Because if you can go to your local stores and buy them today, we can ship them to Amazon today, or just merchant fulfill them and make the money back today or tomorrow. Now, in order to check to see if your local stores have these in stock, on the URL up here, the numbers after the slash sign, you copy those numbers and go into an inventory tracker and plug those into the SKU, because that's what the SKU is. You put in the zip code where you live and you click check inventory. And BrickSync will tell you exactly what stores have what products in stock. Now, if we see here, now, if you convince your parents, or if you can drive 1 day's worth of work, if you go to all these stores in the area, let's see how many you have in stock. 36. So 39 plus another 40, so that's 42, 46 plus 19. So let's just go to your calculator. 46 plus 19 plus 13 plus 8. So plus 21 plus 12 plus 12. So let's just say you go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stores. Just 8 stores. It's not even 1 day's worth of work. Let's just say, theoretically, you go to 8 stores and buy 98 copies of this game. Now, I've gone over here to see the merchant fulfill the lowest prices, $20.98 plus $3.99 shipping. And I've plugged that in, and after all the fees, you'll make $4.91 per game. Now, the sales rank is crazy, 3,500. It sells very fast. So I will not, I'll not doubt that you'll sell these games by about 3 days after you buy all of them. That's just an estimate. Now, if we do 491, because that's how much you make off of one game, multiplied by all the copies you bought. Multiplied, not plus. My bad. 491 multiplied by the 98 copies you bought in just one day, you'll make $481 off of one product. It took us less than 10 minutes to find the product, and it'll take you less than a day to buy it. You'll make $481.18. Now, this is where it really gets crazy, because if you do this every single day, which is what people do for a living, that's well over $100,000. You don't have to go to college to get a degree. Just do this. It's so easy. And yeah. Now that I've showed you how to make $175,000 in a year without a college degree, all I ask from you in return is to like and subscribe. It's the only thing I'll ask for, and I hope you enjoy the video.